Welcome to WordSprout English Lessons.
Hi, Ava. It's really nice to see you. How have you been lately?
Thanks, Emma. I've been doing well, just feeling a bit more tired these days.
I'm glad to hear you're doing well. When is your due date?
It's in early October. Just a couple more months to go.
That's coming up soon. How far along are you now?
I'm 28 weeks. Time is going by so fast.
That's exciting. Do you know if it's a boy or a girl?
Yes, we found out last week. It's a girl.
That's wonderful news. Have you picked a name yet?
We have a few names in mind, but nothing final yet.
I'm sure you'll find the perfect one. Are you having any cravings these days?
Yes, I've been really craving ice cream lately.
Ice cream sounds great. There's a nice place nearby that serves organic options. We should go sometime. How are you feeling these days?
Overall, I'm feeling pretty good, but I get some back pain now and then.
I hope you're getting enough rest.
I try to, but sleeping has become a bit harder.
I can imagine. Getting good sleep must be tough these days. Have you found anything that helps, like pillows or gentle stretches?
A pillow between my legs helps a bit. I'm also doing light stretches at night.
That's good. Staying active probably helps too. Do you still go out for walks?
Yes, I try to walk every evening. It clears my head and helps with back pain.
Sounds like you're really taking good care of yourself. How's your appetite lately?
Honestly, I'm always hungry. But I'm trying to eat healthy most of the time.
You're doing amazing. Have you started getting the baby's room ready?
A little. We just got a crib and picked out some cute decorations.
I bet it looks adorable. Do you have another checkup coming up?
Yes, next Tuesday. So far, everything looks great.
That's such a relief to hear. Let me know if you ever need help with anything.
Thank you, Emma. That really means a lot.
Of course. You must be hungry. Want to grab something to eat?
Actually, yes. I've been thinking about tacos all day.
Perfect. I know a great taco place nearby. Let's go.
Sounds amazing. I've been craving something spicy.
Then you're in luck. They have the best spicy salsa.
Oh, maybe just a little though. Baby says go easy.
Sounds good. We'll keep it mild. Want to get a side of churros too?
Yes, please. Now you're speaking my language.
Let's head out before the lunch rush hits.
Lead the way.